everyone, and welcome. Today we celebrate a name that carries presence, confidence, and a legacy of its own. The Kia Seltos.
Hello everyone, it's a true honor to welcome you all on this special day as we unveil the next chapter of an icon that will shape the Kia's journey in India and capture the hearts of the million worldwide, the Kia Seltos. The Seltos has truly become a badass, bold, confident and original. As the segment continues to evolve, Kia remains committed to raising the bar, setting new benchmarks, and leading the conversation in the industry once again.
Today's world premiere, in many ways, a homecoming celebration of India's engineering excellence and the passion that continue to drive Kia forward. The spirit of innovation that began in India came alive with the first Kia Seltos, a car that changed everything. Their legacy continues with the all-new Kia Seltos, bigger, not just in size, but in presence and purpose. Bolder in design and attitude, with next-generation ADAS, intelligent connectivity, and enhanced safety. It's not only respond, but also anticipate your needs.
This isn't merely the introduction of a new SUV. It's the unveiling of a machine that represents the culmination of rigorous engineering, thoughtful design, and a deep understanding of what Indian customers truly value. The all-new Kia Seltos is our answer to rapidly evolving mobility landscape, one that demands intelligence, resilience, and emotional connect.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Atul Sood.
Over the last 5 years, Kia has significantly expanded its network presence across India, building a strong and an accessible network that matches the scale of Seltos' success. Building on the strong proportions of the previous generation, the all-new Kia Seltos has been designed to enhance dimensions that further improve space, comfort, and road presence. It now measures 4,460 millimeters in length, making it the longest in the segment and improved stability of the vehicle. As you get into the driver's seat, the first thing you notice is the 30-inch Trinity panoramic display panel with a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat with power lumbar support and an indulgent relaxation function, an integrated memory driver's seat synced with ORVM settings and ventilated front seats. The all-new Kia Seltos delivers comfort that adapts to you and not the other way around. Our advanced ADAS Level 2 Plus suite with 28 autonomous safety features is designed to elevate safety to a truly future-forward standard. It's the original badass of the segment, now much sharper in design, smarter in tech, and much stronger in performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you've experienced today is more than the arrival of a new SUV. It is the next chapter of Kia India.
Kia, movement that inspires.